I've been asking you, many of us have been asking you for the past year.
We're so excited.
What's the weather going to be?
And we're very anxious as well. Yeah. There's literally sweat that starts to happen.
Okay.
So Friday night is the first night that the eclipse is in our 10-day forecast.
All right, Friday night's April,
Right.
was it April 5th?
This Friday
This
night.
Friday night,
Yes.
really? Okay.
So Anthony gets to do the first official forecast. No, I'm just kidding. Actually, we've been watching it over the past few days, and this is the latest on how the trends are looking, okay? So we're going to start with your eclipse forecast. As of right now, the cloud cover trend is getting better. This is good news. Now, we've been going back and forth. Literally, some days we get the morning weather forecast models and, you know, way out, 16 days out. It's crazy to even look at them, but we want to. And I know you're looking at your apps, and your apps are even worse than those models. But, you know, the trends are there. And so we've been kind of watching over the past few days how it's been going. Yesterday, we showed you our trend forecast, and yesterday it looked like more cloud cover. Today, a little bit less cloud cover on that April 8th forecast. And how much confidence do we have in that? Well, here's the thing. The confidence is improving. And the reason the confidence is improving is because more of the forecast models are starting to come into agreement. Now, we still have 11 days, and the forecast models will go like this from time to time over those 11 days, but we're going to keep an eye on all of it. Let's get your weather ready for your day tomorrow. We do have some new things to talk about, namely cloud cover that's starting to come into the forecast picture for tomorrow night, maybe even a few rain chances. It doesn't look like a slam dunk, though. And then we've also adjusted some of the timing for your day on Saturday. Basically, we've had to stretch that timing out, unfortunately, and that window is a little bit longer now. So that's what's changed in the forecast. Rain still going on the East Coast. There's snow to our north, so thankfully we don't have to deal with all of that. We're kind of in a sweet spot with dry air in the middle parts of the atmosphere, and that should help us out. We'll go in the big picture first here, and you can kind of see how this dry air just sits right over the Buckeye State. But out to the west, a little shot of energy will start to ride in by Thursday night. This is Thursday at 4 p.m. You can see these clouds, even a few showers out to the west of us. Now, by no means is this a slam dunk, but it does look like we will have some cloud cover that comes in tomorrow night, and that may even kick up a few rain showers by Friday morning. We'll start Friday with some cloud cover in play, which earlier it looked like we'd be completely sunny. So we'll kind of have to watch what this little wave ends up doing. But right now it looks like it's going to be pretty weak for us, and I think just a few clouds, if anything. Then Friday afternoon looks fantastic. Then we have all eyeballs on Saturday. What's adjusted is the not only start of the rain, which will now start pre-dawn and move across the area. It will be persistent through the morning, but watch how these rain showers just stay with us as we get into the afternoon. By evening, it starts to move out, and that actually improves our Easter forecast. So this is actually looking beneficial, but for now, it looks like we have to plan on on-off rain chances for much of the day on Saturday. Here's your National Designer hour-by-hour forecast. Clear skies will lead off the morning with temperatures right around 30 degrees, so it will be a chilly start to your day. That sun is going to do its thing, though. This time of the year, the sun is higher in the sky. That sun angle means we get better sun rays, and that helps to warm us up faster. So we'll be in the mid-30s by 8 a.m. and all the way into the low and mid-40s by noon. So things should take off rather nicely. Light winds will be with us tomorrow, not anticipating a whole lot of problems from the winds like we've had over the past couple of days. Kids getting out of school, 2 or 3 o'clock, temperatures right around 50 degrees. We'll be upper 40s, nearly kissing 50. Lots of sunshine around, light westerly winds with us, maybe a blustery evening as we have those clouds that start to pop into the forecast picture. So this is that update, that new thing that we've added in. And you can see those clouds kind of coming and going through your Thursday night forecast. Again, I don't think the rain is going to be much of anything, if anything at all, as of tonight. But we'll see what tomorrow brings. Friday, 8 a.m., partly cloudy skies, temperatures in the mid-30s. We'll have a light northwesterly wind. Noontime temperatures in the mid-40s for Good Friday. And as we move on into the afternoon and the evening, it looks like we will stay with mostly clear skies. Late evening, clouds will be on the increase. And then remember, we have that rain that gets in here by Saturday morning. So that's kind of the latest on the timing of that. Here is your Union Home Mortgage forecast. Temperatures will be in the upper 40s for the next couple of days as we dance around with some cloud cover. Saturday is looking like we will have on and off rain throughout much of the day. We'll get a break early Sunday, and then late Sunday rain chances return. That carries over into Monday with mild temperatures in the upper 50s. We will cool off by the middle of next week with slow clearing expected, and leading into next weekend, that's when the temperatures start to take off. Now, I know this looks like it is a phenomenal trend. Woo, temperatures going up, sun coming out, but remember, Sunday into Monday, a lot can change. And so we're going to keep an eye on that trend forecast, Russ.
All right, Betsy, thanks.